Hey, my couponing friends! Here are 10 Ibotta deals. To check for August 2nd through August 8th, at Walmart, grab 2 Lay's Stax for $2.96 and get $3.48 back, making them free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. The IAMS wet dog food may also be free after the $1.48 rebate. Grab an Wick warmer for $1.98 and get $2 back, making it free. Me Tierra chip strips are only 20 cents after Ibotta and Fetch, while the Glade warmer is about 22 cents after the rebate. At Target, 2 First Form meat sticks are 50 cents after Ibotta and Ale, and 2 protein pints are about $1.39. Back at Walmart, Go-Gurt is $1.96, and 2 Tide washing machine cleaners are $7.92 after Ibotta. Finally, the Target All and Gain bundle is about $13.53 after the coupon, gift card, and rebates. Check your app before shopping because offers may vary.